Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how you can control who can follow you on LinkedIn using the mobile app. This is an important setting for anyone who wants to manage their online presence and keep their professional network secure. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left. Then, scroll down and tap on Settings. After that, select the visibility option from the menu. Next, scroll down until you find the Followers section and tap on it. Then, you will see two options for who can follow you. You can choose either everyone on LinkedIn or only your connections. Select the option that best fits your privacy preferences and professional goals. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more LinkedIn tips.